Hello, today we will guide you through how to unblock challenges in Cloudflare. If you're running into repeated Cloudflare challenges and need to clear things up, this process is quick and straightforward. We'll be working from your browser settings while you're on the Cloudflare dashboard, and the goal is to remove stored browsing data that may be causing the issue. As you follow along, make sure you're already signed in to your Cloudflare account and viewing the domain's overview page. Start by opening the Cloudflare dashboard and going to the domain's overview section. This is the main page where your domain and account settings are accessible. Once you're there, look to the top right area of your browser window for the three-dot menu. This is your browser's main menu, where you can access additional options related to settings, privacy, and stored site data. Click the three dots to open that menu, then choose Settings. This will take you into your browser's settings page, where you can manage privacy options and browsing data. If your browser opens the settings in a new tab or panel, that's completely normal. Inside Settings, find and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for your cookies, cached files, and other browsing information. These stored files help websites load faster, but sometimes they can also preserve outdated challenge data, which may lead to repeated verification prompts or access issues. Once you're in Privacy and Security, click Delete. Depending on your browser, this may appear as an option to delete browsing data or clear browsing data, but the purpose is the same. You're opening the tool that lets you remove saved website data from your browser. When the delete window appears, check only cache and cookies. Be careful not to select other categories unless you intentionally want to remove them as well. Keeping the selection limited helps avoid clearing information you may still want to keep, such as saved history or other browser preferences. After selecting cached and cookies only, click Delete to confirm. This will clear the stored files and cookies that may be interfering with Cloudflare's challenge process. Once the deletion is complete, return to the Cloudflare page and refresh it. In many cases, this helps resolve challenge loops or access blocks by forcing the browser to load a clean session. That's it. By clearing only the cache and cookies, you're removing the most common source of stuck or repeated Cloudflare challenges while keeping the rest of your browser data intact.